Hello everyone, welcome to Skin Sensor Laser Lounge. This is Dr. Faiza Ajmal, your dermatologist and cosmetologist. How to build your morning or AM skincare routine. A step by step guide. How to layer your skincare products and why order matters. So, which product goes on top of what? An easy rule to follow is to apply your products with the thinnest consistency to thickest or from liquid to cream. In general, you need to first choose the products with the ingredients that are most important to penetrate into the skin and finish with the products that need to sit on the top of the skin. Our daytime skincare routine is all about prevention and protection from sun and pollution. Your face is going to be exposed to the outside environment, so necessary steps include step 1 cleanser, step 2 toner, step 3 serum, step 4 spot treatment, step 5 eye cream, step 6 moisturizer, step 7 sunscreen. Now I will discuss every step one by one in detail. Step 1 is cleanser. Wash your face with a gentle face cleanser designed for your skin type. Step number 2 toner. Straight after cleansing, either tap directly onto the skin or onto a cotton pad and swipe over the face in an outward motion. Be sure to avoid toners high in alcohol as they can irritate your skin. Step number 3 antioxidant serums. Vitamin C and vitamin E serums are antioxidants. These are used to improve skin texture and firmness. You can also look for green tea, resveratrol, and caffeine in your serums. In addition to antioxidants, you can try anti-aging serums like hyaluronic acid to draw moisture into skin. You can also use niacinamide. It is a form of vitamin B3 that brightens skin tone, helps in lightening dark spots, minimize fine lines and pores appearance. Now, how to use it? Pat a few drops onto your face and neck and swipe over the face in upwards and outwards motion. Now, step number 4 spot treatment. What is a spot treatment? Spot treatment involves targeting specific areas on your face to help address skin concerns such as blemishes, dark spots, age spots, as well as uneven skin tone. Now, step number 5 eye cream. The skin around your eyes tends to be thinner and more sensitive. It's also prone to signs of aging, including fine lines, puffiness, darkness. A good eye cream can brighten, smooth, and firm up the area. Now, how to use it? Dab a small amount onto the eye area using your ring finger. Next come face moisturizer. A moisturizer improves skin hydration and keeps your skin soft. Now how to use it. Take a slightly bigger than pea size amount and warm it in your hands. Apply to cheeks first, then to the rest of the face using upwards strokes. Now step number 7. Sunscreen is the most important and final step in any skincare routine for every skin type and age. Not only it can lower your risk of skin cancer, but it can also reduce signs of aging by blocking damaging UV light. Apply sunscreen 15 to 30 minutes before sun exposure. Apply sunscreen or sunblock to all bare skin like face, neck, ears, hands, arms, and tops of your feet. If you have thinning hair, either apply sunscreen to your scalp or wear a wide brimmed hat. To protect your lips, apply a lip balm with a SPF of at least 15. To remain protected when outdoors, reapply sunscreen every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating. So remember to use sunscreen when you go outside, even on cloudy or rainy days and in the winter also. Now your skin is ready for foundation or BB cream, so you can apply.